You're being detained because you're looking at cars. Do you have an ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a name?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a name? This is all one jumpsuit.
I don't answer questions.
Sir, you're under arrest. It's over with. You can tell me I'm making a big mistake all day,
What
but
am I
you're
being
here.
charged with?
I already explained that to you. Do you have anything on you?
Okay.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In July, I reported an incident that occurred in summer of 2021, where several uniformed officers of the Chicago Police Department are seen deleting videos off the phone of a man they extricated from a vehicle during an alleged unlawful search and seizure during a traffic stop. I have a huge update on that incident at the end of this video, but first, we will explore a second incident that was submitted by the same viewer. On March 17th of 2022, Jamar was filming from the public sidewalk outside of the 5th District Chicago Police Department. Officer Velez and Carter noticed Jamar filming private vehicles on the public roadway and made contact with him.
Hey, how's it going, boss? This your car? You were just looking at it. Is this your car? Let me turn around for me. Turn around for me. You're being detained. Stop. You're being detained. Turn around. You can't be looking in cars, bro.
People's private cars.
You're bent over looking in the car, bro. I got you on camera. Turn around.
You fine. You fine. You just watch.
You got an ID on you? Let me see his hand.
Put
the phone up. Let me see your hand.
I got you.
You got an ID on you?
What am I being detained for?
You're being detained because you're looking at cars.
I'm under arrest.
You're being detained.
You've been detained. You got
We got our cameras on. Do you have an ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
Sir, are you refusing to give me your name? Because if you are, I'll just take you in. Do you have a name?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a name? Okay, let's go. That's fine.
I'm under arrest.
At this point, if you're refusing to give us your name,
Okay. 199.
if you're refusing to give us your name, you're under arrest. Do you have a name?
What's your name and badge number?
Velez,
You gotta-
7857.
you gotta-
Come on,
what's
let's
your
go.
name,
Carter,
7429.
That's fine.
Damn, man, I like you too, man. You pulled me up one time and let me go,
I did.
man.
I remember.
There's gonna be consequences.
That's fine.
Yo, I don't consent to no search. What you doing?
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You're under arrest at this
Okay.
point, sir.
What am I under arrest for?
You under arrest.
What am I under arrest for?
Obstruction of identity, sir.
That's a secondary.
7857.
First of all, no, you're right. First of all, criminal trespass. I'm
How's that
sorry.
criminal trespass?
Criminal trespass of a vehicle. You're
How?
right there.
How?
Okay, bro.
Criminal trespass of a vehicle?
At this point, it's
Bro,
for
you
a judge.
look real dumb when you going here, bro.
I hear you, dog. I hear you.
Criminal trespass of a vehicle.
Yeah.
I'm on public property.
I mean, it's not a vehicle, of a police station. I'm sorry. You're right.
Jamar has now been arrested for looking through a car window. The officers tell him that he is being charged with criminal trespass of a vehicle and obstructing identification. Illinois compiled statute 720 section 21-2 defines criminal trespass to vehicles as a person who knowingly and without authority enters any part of or operates any vehicle. Jamar never entered a vehicle or even attempted to, and the officer then tries to change the charge to criminal trespass of a police station. But again, Jamar never stepped foot on the property. Section 31-4.5 defines obstructing identification. This charge is much different than the average failure or refusal to ID, as obstructing identification requires one to knowingly furnish a false or fictitious name, address, or date of birth. But Jamar never gave them a name at all.
You have an ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a name?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a name?
And refused to answer questions. While the act of looking into or filming through a window may be suspicious to some, the act alone would not meet the requirements of reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. If the car is parked in a public place, as this one was, there is no realistic expectation of privacy. An officer would call upon the plain view doctrine to explain why they are allowed to look through a window, and the same would extend to a member of the public. The officers now take Jamar inside the police station and book him.
What charge? What am I being charged with?
It's a 720 charge.
That's a secondary charge. What's up, my man? I like you right here, man.
All right.
589.
You let me go that one time, remember?
It was nice, huh? You don't get that from me, though. Come on, big guy.
The
Parking lot, police lot, looking in the
sign.
Listen,
cars.
that's him.
I instructed 561 Charlie, take a minute.
That's Luke on this. That's Luke number. Yeah.
That's what.
Have a seat.
Kept saying 122 and Union on the corner.
What am I
White
under arrest for?
Porter and
I
Trump
already
that kept
explained that to
driving
you, sir.
fast.
What am I being charged with?
I already explained that to you.
And then
What am I being charged
I
with?
already explained that to you.
Going to jail.
What is that? That's fine. You'll get it on paper, bro. Just
Okay.
wait.
You made a big mistake.
right here.
What are you doing?
Turn your phone on. So you have
Well,
that.
then there was one. It's 1650 on that clock.
Is there anything under here? Sir, is there anything on your
mistake, man. I'm telling
Sir,
you,
you're
bro.
under arrest. It's
Okay,
over with. You
okay.
can tell me I'm making a big mistake all day,
What am
but
I
you're
being
here.
charged with? What
I
am I
already
being
explained that
charged
to you. Do you have anything on you?
Okay.
Sure, let me take the scopes off. That's fine, sir. That's fine.
Okay. It's all recorded.
That's fine. Turn around for me. What's your saying? It is being recorded. It's being recorded by my body camera, sir.
This time we have those available. Male black wearing a navy jacket, black pants, and white Air Force One gym shoes in the store shopless, trying to walk out.
What's your boot? You see the other one?
I didn't count it yet. What am I on arrest for?
I already explained it to you. Do me a favor,
So
take
look,
it.
I'm gonna tell you, because I know you're gonna ask me like 4 more times. And I'm gonna answer. If you don't count
I'm on.
criminal trespass to police vehicle.
How?
I'm sorry, to a police station, not a vehicle, I'm sorry. To a police. When you're in the lot, looking at people's cars,
You need to go talk to the lieutenant.
that was a lieutenant that pulled up and talked to me. That was the second lieutenant. So what else you need next? Let me know.
Lock up Sally Port. Animal control is here.
That was the lieutenant on the scene. That was the lieutenant right
Take your
there.
shoes off for me. Take a seat. Take your shoes off for me, please.
You can't come over to the police facility going through.
I was on public property.
Yeah, okay, I got you. All right, well, that's between you and the judge. Well, no big deal. But today you gotta eat that one.
That's cool.
I appreciate it, man. You be smooth, we gonna be smooth. Jamar, right? Oh, you still not answering the question, right?
Throw your shoes on.
Count his money in front of you. That's real, man.
This is all one jumpsuit.
One Frank.
You're under arrest, sir. It's not a search at this point. It's custodial inventory. I need your top jacket, sir.
You can do it if you want to. I don't consent to those searches or seizures.
Okay, that's very
Hey man, this is not one of those things where you be doing outside. You were officially under arrest. We spoke face to face the other day,
Oh, damn.
and here's the deal. This is non-negotiable. You're in police facility, in police custody per state and federal law. You have to have your proper inventory.
You my man that was in the car that day following me, right?
I wasn't following you.
I'll talk to you, man. I'll do it. Don't worry, I'll do it.
Stop. All right, those are your underwear then? Okay, put it right back up. Zip it up.
You're going to delay the due process. That's all.
What am I being charged with?
I already explained
I already
it.
told you, so just go through the due process and let the process follow its course. You have the right to do whatever you say you need to do, sue whoever you need to sue, and you take it there. But this is not gonna help the process because you're not gonna get enough time to file your suit.
He's got one jumpsuit and a shirt.
He can keep all of them?
I'm pretty sure.
He just got, okay,
Nah,
cool.
go tell him so.
That ain't real, but whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. I don't care, really, to be honest. This is nothing, man. I would think you probably got more to do than sit outside a police station with it, but that shows you, man. We at work, so this one be your job. No problem. Whatever.
After his false arrest, the two officers took Jamar's keys and located his vehicle, lawfully parked down the street. They used his keys to make an unlawful entry of the vehicle, despite the fact that it had nothing to do with any of the false charges brought against Jamar. The officers took 2 phones and 2 computers from his vehicle without probable cause or a warrant to do so. Initially, the prosecutor refused to throw out the case, offering plea deals which were denied, and eventually attempting to take the case all the way. And just before trial, the case was dismissed. A lawsuit for this incident could be in the works in the near future, but until that happens, let's return to the beginning of this video, where I mentioned a civil action that was recently filed for Jamar's previous encounter with the Chicago police. To see that full story, use the link above, or in the description to catch up. If you haven't, you should. It's insane, and one of my better presentations. Jamar has just filed a lawsuit against 3 officers and the city of Chicago for that incident. and an amended complaint is expected to include Officer Parker for his involvement. The lawsuit alleges that Jamar was subjected to a false arrest and unlawful search and seizure of his person and effects. Count 3 alleges excessive force from when an officer allegedly caused a door to crush Jamar's fingers. COPA, Chicago's Citizen Review Board, has not yet completed its investigation into the allegations against the officers, despite the incident being nearly a year and a half old. If news comes out about the lawsuit or the investigation, I will be sure to let you know, but for now, make sure you let Jamar know how you feel in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.